Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, to hunt for all of the new and exciting arrivals this week. Now I love sharing all the new finds with you all so you know what to look out for on your next shopping trip. So let's dive in. Now this week we're starting off in the garden section, and look at these brand new solar lights that have just arrived. Aren't they gorgeous? So these come in two different styles, but in 4 different colors. They are crystal clear. They all are solar powered, so no worries about any batteries or anything. They also have a little hanger, as you could see, that you can hang on one of the Dollar Tree garden hooks, which is really convenient. But I think that these are just so pretty. Now, all 4 colors are gorgeous, but these are definitely able to be DIY'd, you guys, because the texture and the design of the little jars is so cute. Now, these are plastic, but they definitely can be DIY'd with no problem. These are another brand new arrival at the Dollar Tree. These are also solar lights, and they have little carvings in them like dragonflies and little flowers. These are so pretty. Now I did see these. These have 4 different colors as well, but I love all the little carvings in them, and they are solar powered. So when night falls, you'll see all of that light trickling through all of the little cutouts. I think that's so pretty. Now here's another one that I really love. Now this is a returning one from last year, but it is really still so gorgeous. It looks very high end, and all of these items today are going to be $1.25. So definitely you want to stock up. Now here's another one. This is a tabletop solar light. You could sit this on any table. The solar light panels are right inside the inside. So when night falls, you'll have a nice soft glow from these little tea light style lights. Another favorite from last year that's returning are these. Now, I have to tell you, these flew off the shelf last year. They just put them out at my Dollar Tree. If you guys see them, if you want them, do not think about it. Grab them immediately because they will sell quickly. These solar lights are really sleek and modern looking. If you're looking for that high-end look, this is what you want to go for. These have a black finish, or you could choose them in this silver finish. And I love these. The stake to them is on the inside, so no worries. It does have a stake included with it. These are also really pretty. These have that crackle looking globe. Now these globes are glass, so no worries there. These are solar lights, and that globe does detach. So if you have another idea with it, you want to DIY with it, you can definitely detach that and use that in a project. These are another new one I've never seen before. These are large solar lights. Now the opening or the bottom portion of these is really large. This one has more of like a polka dotted texture. Now these are plastic, and they had a second one. This has more of a diamond pattern. So you can choose from 2 different styles in this large style solar light. Now, also near the solar lights were some summer items, and look at these new tumblers. These new tumblers are so really pretty. They have an ombre style and all of those beautiful bright summer colors. I also saw these water bottles too. Now these say cold drinks on the front, and this is that typical kind of, pop top water bottle. This is great for the little ones. I saw them in 2 different colors at my Dollar Tree store, and they're all BPA free. Everybody's been on the hunt for these straw covers, and I finally found them. They were up by the register. These are so cute. So if you have a tumbler and want to cover the opening of your straw, grab these. These are so super cute and useful. They also have this reusable ice pouch, and I found it in a lemon slice design at my store. These are really nice too. So these are oil warmer bits. These are the meltable waxes, and they come in 3 different styles. They just put these out on my shelf. You guys, these make great gifts, or you could just use them if you love to melt waxes in your home. These candle holders were right next to it. A brand new arrival. I've never seen. How gorgeous are these? Now, these are heavy glass. They come with 3 different textures. You can get straight lines, you could get a dotted texture, or more like a swirl or diagonal pattern like this one. These are really pretty. They're going to go quickly. They have a bunch of mirrors that have been coming out, but this one I have not yet seen before. So this is more of a rectangular or portrait style mirror. At the Dollar Tree, it was up near the Mother's Day items. And this is one you want to grab too if you're interested. Now, over in the dining area, I saw a new collection of dishes and I'm so excited for this new lemon collection. I'm loving the lemons with the navy blue. So I just showed you the mugs. Here are the bowls. Look how gorgeous the lemons are, and with all the flowers. They are really so pretty against that white background. So gorgeous. Now they had the salad plates as well. Now the salad plates do say every day is a fresh start, which is absolutely true. But look at the lemons and the blue flowers and the white flowers and how they all combine together. They look so pretty. And the dinner plates are always a really generous size. You can really see the detail in the design on these dinner style plates. So definitely grab those when you see them. For the glasses, they do have the juice style glasses, and it has that same design carried on to this one as well. Now, if you prefer a taller drinking glass, they did have that too. Here's the taller one with all those beautiful flowers and lemons all over it. I just love lemons for summer. So very pretty. They have things for the kitchen as well to match. Here are the dish towels. Now, these are the polyester dish towels with all the lemon design on those. You can also get these in pot holders. Now, all the pot holders at Dollar Tree are sold in 2 packs, so you get 2 for $1.25. You can also get the oven mitts. They had 2 styles, whether you wanted the solid lemon design or you want that every day is a fresh start print on there. I love that they have 2 options. And here is the placemat. It has a solid blue back. You can use these as a placemat or stuff them to make pillows. Now they did have a different design too this year for the bees. How gorgeous is this? So you are the bee's knees is what this label says on this little mug. And it all comes in a yellow, black, and white design, which is really pretty. They also have these bowls. These bowls are really gorgeous. Look at all the beautiful bumblebees on there and the flowers and the black. Really cute design on these white ceramic bowls. They did have the plates as well. Here is the plates, and it also says you are the bee's knees, and you can see that floral and bumblebee flower trim all the way around those. They also have the dinner plates. Now, the dinner plates are always a really nice size. You could see the enlarged version of all of the detail in these. Really cute. I love the bumblebee items at the Dollar Tree. And check this out. I've never seen this to go along with the Bumblebee collection. They have a honeycombed kind of embossed charger plate to go with it. So you definitely want to grab that too. Here are the juice glasses with the Bumblebee collection. They have Be Happy on there with the little bee just kind of flying around on there. And they did include the large drinking glass as well. And here's that with all the beautiful flowers and bees all over that. So this makes a beautiful collection if you are collecting these. They also have the kitchen items available. Here is one of the dish towels that says you are the bee's knees on here, or you could choose the solid one with just the bees, the florals and greenery and the flowers. They also have the placemat. Now this one has a solid black background on the back of this one. And if you need those things for the oven, they have the 2-pack of the pot holders here in that same print, or you could choose the oven mitt here. So definitely be on the lookout for these if they have not arrived yet at your stores. Speaking of bees, look what's back. The Bumblebee beehive cages. These flew off the shelves last year. If you see them, do not wait. you need to grab them immediately. I have crafted with these. They are so much fun. They also have these too. So these are little beehive honey pot kind of jars. They have them in clear and they have them in an orange color. And all of them have a little metal kind of bumblebee tied on with a jute twine. And they all have little handles on them. Here's another jar in the bee collection. They also have that bee charm, and these have a textured bottle design. You could get that in clear, or you also can get that in an orange color. Here's another thing that's returning from years past. Now these Bee Happy boxes, these are actually lighted inside. It has an LED candle that is battery operated. So they have that one with Be Happy carved in it, or you could get the one that says Believe. So these are a popular item returning from last year as well. So definitely be on the lookout for those. These triple hexagon signs are also a popular item in a bee theme. They are a returning item to go with this collection. So if you're looking for these, just wait and see if they showed up at your Dollar Tree to grab them. Now, I do love the socks, and I featured a bunch of them in my last video, but I found even more this week. So I did find this solid red Kool-Aid sock, the Reese's Pieces socks. Thank you very much. I love those. They have the Rice Krispie socks. They say snap. Those definitely went in my cart. They did have a few more too. They have this one with Lunchables. Have you guys seen these? This features the pizza Lunchables on there. How cute are they? So I thought those were fun. Now they did have another one here. This one here is the Kool-Aid that's on the blue and white background. So that one is fun too. So definitely be on the lookout for all of these cool, fun socks. Now over in home decor, this was something new. So these are sticker decals. I've never seen these before. Now they have these in all kinds of different themes, and they do come in a multi-pack. So these are all packaged, and I noticed they had about 5 sheets in them, and it varies from pack to pack. So you could get some kind of Disney and Marvel kind of designs in each one of these. And I thought that these were really neat, especially for those who love these types of themes or who are even collectors. So I did see like these here. They have the black clover version here. They have some other ones here. And let me tell you, these actually went away like within a few days, because I visited this store and all of them are gone. So I know that there are collectors on them, especially when I saw these Star Wars ones here. So if you want to find these, find them over by the picture frames. And as you could see, here's a bundle that had been open, but as you could see, it has 4 or 5 sheets in there. So definitely grab these if you're looking for them. In the health and beauty, look what I spotted. These Spa Life 5-piece blemish extraction sets. There's so many great pieces in this set and the case to carry them in. There were only 3 left on my shelf, so I was lucky to find one when I got to my store. They also have these packaged makeup. Now look for these generically kind of packaged makeups, because as you can see, this is from the Maybelline Green line. So they often repackage the name brand items in these generic looking packages, so you often pass it by, but never pass it by. Take a closer look, because you might find some treasures, especially name brands, in these packages that you may find useful, and they also make great gifts. Another thing in beauty are these little earrings by Juncture. How cute are these? So they have hearts, they have watermelon slices, they even have lemons. I think these would be so fun for the summer. So definitely check those out if you're looking for those types of themes in earrings. Now they did have this too. This is the razor with a holder. I haven't seen this before at my store, and it just showed up. I got it specifically for the holder that you could use a suction cup and apply it to your wall in your shower. That's totally convenient. And speaking of shavers, look at this shave cream they have with a coconut and also vanilla lavender. This is new at my Dollar Tree for $1.25. Now last week I featured a lot of these twist products by Ouidad. Now I did find this Ouidad lotion. This is really nice for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Now I did look it up online, and I did see they were selling it on Amazon for almost $7. So Dollar Tree for the win on this product. Another Ooey Dad twist product I saw was this oil infused shampoo. This is a really nice product as well. It's got really good reviews on Amazon. They're selling it for over 10 bucks. So definitely grab them at the Dollar Tree if you see them. Another item in health and beauty are these little hand soaps. How cute are these little containers? So they have them shaped like little fruit, like strawberries or pineapple. Perfect for summer. I think I did grab a few of these. They're so fun. And look at these little zipper pouches that I saw on the same aisle. These are like a woven material. They're kind of woven loosely, so you can kind of see through them, but they're perfect for the beach or something like that. I think that they're so cute in pink, tan, green, and blue. Now over in the kitchen aisle, I spotted these microwavable steam bags. I've never seen them. These come in a 6-pack, so a generous pack if you're looking for steam type bags. And in the food, the Pace chunky salsa in the 16-ounce jar is there for $1.25. I love this stuff. I had to look it online to make sure I was getting the best deal. At Walmart, it's selling for $2.67 a jar. Dollar Tree for the win here. I did stock up. Another item in the food aisle are the covered fruits. Now, I've never seen covered fruits in this brand, and they had dark chocolate, acai, and blueberry, and they had the dark chocolate pomegranate. So I've never seen the covered fruit, so that was new to me at my store. In the food aisle, they also had this spicy chicken broth in a large 32-ounce container, and everything is fresh and in date that I'm picking out today. So definitely grab that if you're looking for chicken broth in a spicy variety. And I wanted to let you know I'm still finding those Mr. B snacks spread throughout the store. I did feature these in last week's video, so don't give up. But I did have to mention these Tilda brand rices in the pack. You guys, I tried these. I am sold on this peri spicy tomato and pepper. It is so good. I love this for $1.25. I did compare the price online. I did look on Amazon. They're selling the 6-pack for $16.50, which comes out to $2.75 a piece. So you're definitely winning by going to the Dollar Tree. Now in the hardware section, they have these 3 packs of gloves. So these are those rubber dipped gloves. You can use them for crafting. You can use them for gardening. You can use them for woodworking. Really convenient. 3 packs for $1.25. And another item that just showed back up are these high visible lights. These are so great to put in your emergency kits with summer coming, fall coming, you know, with all the tragedies happening right now. Always be prepared and always have a nice flashlight on hand. And we can't forget our fur babies. These Dream Bone brand snacks are there. And look, they have these little donut shaped snacks, and they have these waffle stick shaped snacks. Now, I wasn't familiar with the brand, but the packaging just looked amazing and the ingredients looked great. A few days later, look, it's all gone. So that tells me that they are a really nice item. Now, I looked at Walmart. They did have the Dream Bone donuts for $6.95 on their website, and they had the waffles for $5.98. So $1.25 for the win here. Now, if you also want some more treats, I saw these. These are the Spunky Pup Treat Bars. They had 2 different styles of these bars at the store. So if you're looking for something along that line, you can definitely check those out as well. And then to wrap it up, look what I spotted in the party aisle. These mini little piñatas that you can fill with candy. So they had the cupcake shaped one. Here's one that's a unicorn shape. They also had a birthday cake shape. You can use these for decor or even piñatas. You guys, all these deals today were amazing. Definitely get to your Dollar Tree. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring more awesome finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on my shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know what your most exciting find at Dollar Tree was this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.